Hey guys, Study here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a reconstruction of an 8.68 single that I got while I was riding home in the car earlier. Now this solve is actually quite interesting. This is my second best solve ever, my best being 8.27. I believe I got it on the Thunderclap version 3, but I'm going to be reconstructing it on my main, the GAN XS. So the Scramble, I'm going to tell you right now, but it'll also be in the description, is F2, R, D, R2, F2, U2, F2, D prime, U2, R2, B2, L2, R2, U prime, B, U, R, U, F prime, L prime. Now, if we just look to see what we have here, now I notice I have a pair right here. Now I'm going to be doing yellow cross first, but I don't remember what I originally did it on, but we're going to be doing it on yellow. So what I did first was an F prime, and then it put this pair in, and yes, I realized this is in incorrectly, but I'll get to that later. And before I did this pair, I noticed that this one's right here, and I normally recognize it because this is matched and this isn't. And because this is already back here, I do an R, U prime, R prime, then I do a U2, R, U prime, R prime. Okay. Then I rotate it, do an R2, U prime, R prime. Then I rotate it again, do an L prime, U2, L. Then I do an M prime, U2, M. Then I rotate it back, do an M prime, U, M. Then I rotate it once more, do an M, U2, so it's an M prime, U2, M, U prime, M, U, M. Then I rotate it again, and here's what surprised me. I noticed this. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. To get this last corner in here, I noticed this. I didn't notice this at all, or these two. So I noticed that I could just do this. So I did it U, L prime, U prime, L. Then I sat it down because it startled me that I didn't realize it was solved, giving me a complete last layer and AUF skip. So alright, so do it again. Now let me go get a 2x2 quick, because here is the best way that I can reconstruct this. Now, I kind of realized this because, this looks like an inverted version of what the world record solution was. The world record solution looked like this, or somewhat similar. But on my 3x3, normally you could do that, but if you notice, it's inverted. and it gave me a complete AUF skip. along with an 8.68 time, and this gave me my PB average of 14.15. But this solve just interests me literally just because this has never happened. I believe I've gotten close to maybe like a last layer skip on like one-handed, but never have I gotten it on like normal, just 3x3. Now, I could have done this many ways. I could have accidentally done it this way, and it would have been paired like that. But I didn't. I played it smart, because I actually kind of noticed this. Now, this is where I kind of noticed something. So, when I brought this out, then back, I noticed that these two, this one had to go right here. And this one, and like that. And to where I had to be like, to where you could pair it up like that. And if I were to have done that, it would have paired it up in the wrong way. But instead I did that, finishing it with a complete last layer skip. And sometimes you'd probably have to do an AUF sometimes, unless if you get like a PLL case to where you don't. Like this. Now, I've gotten, I believe one of the times was a PLL skip, and it was this case. So, and I believe I had to do like a U prime or U, but there was no AUF, no last layer that had to be done. I'm kind of happy with this solve, but kind of sad at the same time because it's a PB fail. The second time I did it, I got a 7.82, so if I had more recognition, done it at the slightest bit faster, it would have been personal best. But I'm overall happy that it gave me my like second best solve. Like originally my two best solves were 8.27 and then 8.72, which was my original first sub 10. But this solve just kind of shocked me a little bit. So I'm going to do it one more time. Alright. So inserted this, inserted that one, brought that one out, inserted it, inserted that edge right there, inserted that one. Now I could have done this a different way, but I guess, I don't know, but I guess I did it the right way. It's just, I'm kind of overall happy with this solve. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been a reconstruction of my 8.68, I guess, fluent solve. It was just genuinely shocking. But yeah, I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.